In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up editing some of your Trec recordings using Camtasia Rev. If you've made a recording in the more or less the recent versions of Camtasia, sometimes Camtasia Rev is on. What if it was off? Can you edit those Trec recordings using Camtasia Rev? Yes, you can. So I'm inside the latest version of Camtasia in 2026, and I'm going to import media. And the media I'm going to import is a Trec file. Let's assume I just select this particular TechSmith recording file and just click on open. Once I do that, the options for us to edit are more or less like drag and drop right here and start making new edits. But let's assume I want to skip some of those things like circle cropping or circle masking your talking head and add some backgrounds and all that. All I need to do is just right click on this media right here and click on import to Camtasia Rev. I'll click on that. And once I do that, it's going to do the heavy lifting for me. So the look is set up, the background is set up, and these are things that you can change right here. So you can come and see what more or less works for you. If let's say this is your style, you can click on that and it changes to that. But I'd prefer to have this particular style right here. And then you can change the layout, more or less what it looks like. You can go for the background, what we have right here. You can change it to whatever that you want. So we have this one. You can also see what we get on screen. I do like cursor color right there. Sometimes I use the cursor highlight and so on and so forth. So those are things that you can do. You can also apply smart focus right inside here. So you can click on that. And then as for the camera, you can either do a background removal, a border. Let's say we add a border. That's okay. Corner rounding, drop shadow, mask. Now as for the filter, you can change the filters for different options here, but I'd like to leave it as it is. Now from here you have the options to save, and there's these more or less like edit options. If I click on this, you'll see there's the Rev media. It combines screen, camera and audio streams for simplified editing. And then there's the unpacked media. Edit recorded streams as separate tracks. Now it's going to apply all this, but inside Camtasia, you can either get it as Rev media or unpacked media. So if I choose Rev media and click on save, what we get is more or less one file like this that has the screen recording, my audio, and the camera right here. There is an edit button here to modify the Rev media, and I'll click on that to go back to this particular interface. So if you wanted to change a couple of things, you can change it right there. Now we've already sped up some of the editing inside here, so it's super good to see that we can do this. And you can also see the different media here. If I actually double click on that, you can be able to change some of the things right here. You can click out, select this again, you can go for the camera, you can make the different edits that you want right there. Click on it again, and then you can check the background, the color. You can do all those changes that you'd like to make. But that is how you can edit Trec or Camtasia recordings using Camtasia Rev. It's going to speed up your process. Super easy. And that's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.